I'm today in front of me Honor 50 and I'll show you how to change home screen transition on this device. So first you should slide with your two fingers at the same time to the center, and here you will see the transitions section icon. Just you can here see all the available animations here, and you can select one from this animation. For example, I'll go with the rotate one, and now just go back here. And as can you see, we just successfully changed our home screen animation on our Honor 50. And if you want to go back to the default one, for example, by the same way, go here to the transitions and switch it to the default. And now as can you see, we just turn back to the default animation. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.